Okay guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to create a church flyer design just like this in Photoshop. And in case today is your first time joining my YouTube channel, you're welcome. Just click on the subscribe bell to get more videos like this in Photoshop. And after creating this video, you get the opportunity to go below. You'll see a Telegram link there. Click on it, replicate the design. The resource files are below. Replicate the design and post it into the Telegram channel. Corrections will be given to you. Okay, now what we just need to do is create our background. Okay, now for this, there are different ways of creating design. You can start from your background, your images, whichever one you feel comfortable with. For this, now we'll turn off this particular one. Okay, now all resource files that were used for this design are over here. In case you want the resource file, there's a link below. Click on it to take you to the resource file. Now this is what we have. Okay, now what we just need to do, or you just need to drag and drop this into Photoshop. Now you drag this into Photoshop like this. Okay, increase like this. Can you see what we have? If you're done increasing it like this, now we click on it. Now add a layer marks on it, your brush to increase the flow by pressing your bracket key. Now you're going to turn this off like this. We don't want all these parts. Can you see what we're doing? No, we don't want this. We don't want this. We need to bring back some parts like this part, this part. Bring back this part. Okay guys, this is beautiful. Now okay guys, now if we're done with this, what we just need to do is drag and drop this into Photoshop. So you drag and drop it into Photoshop like this. So increase, okay guys, so this is what we have. Okay guys, now after dragging and dropping this image into Photoshop, what we just need to do is take it below the first one, which is this, then come over to your layer marks. Then you can see some parts that are not well brushed, so you take them out like this. Can you see what we have? Thank you. Now this is what we have. If we're done with this, what we just need to do is you name this background. We'll simply around the background, but let's just name this BG first. Now drag and drop the image into Photoshop. Now this is the image. You drag this image into Photoshop, or yes, let's paste it like this. Now create a shadow to it so it will look real. Now add a layer marks, a new layer, sorry, then take the new layer beneath the image, these images like this. Come to your brush tool, reduce the flow of your brush. Now give this a little shadow, this guy, same with this. Can you see what we're doing? We're trying to make it real. So for this beautiful lady, can you see what we're doing? Make sure you know how and what you're doing to it. This, we just want a little reflection here. So this is what we have, guys. Let me show you the before. This is the before and this is the after. Now you can see how nice it is. So for this is beautiful. So if we're done with this, what we just need to do is continue with the other stuffs. So the next thing we need to do is create our which okay, yes, we'll come over to our text. Now hike camp, this is the title of it. Our tracking is too far from itself, so we're going to bring this to -5. Then We're using Akira font. This is too far from itself, so the lending, we need to adjust it. Adjust. Just this is beautiful. Then for the tracking, let's take it back to 25 and see that this is beautiful. So if you're done with this, change the color to white. Change the color to white. Control T on it, increase it. Now this is where this becomes a little bit technical. We don't want it to be on top of this, which is all these edges here. Okay, now we're going to increase this part also like this. Now we want it to look as if this mountain, some parts are above the hike, which is the title. Now what we just need to do is the background we created for the mountain, drag your hike like this. Can you see what we have? But this is not beautiful because there are some parts that looks as if it's fade. So what we just need to do is click on our layer marks on the mountain, come to your brush tool, convert your foreground color to white because you're bringing it back. Can you see what we have? So you're brushing like this to bring it back. Then you go over to this place, you will do the same like this. You do the same. Ta-da. Okay guys, this is beautiful. Looking at it is already like, wow, what is this? So if you're done with this one now, what we just need to do is drag and drop this image back into Photoshop. So this time you drag it and drop it back into Photoshop. Now you can see how it is. You don't need to increase it much. Come to your layer marks, change your foreground color to black because you are taking some parts off. So you're going to take this part like this, take this part off, take this part like this, take this part off. All these parts, we don't need them. Increase the flow so we don't waste much time. We don't want all these parts. So if you're done with this part, then you zoom out. See this part, take this part like this. Can you see? Can you see what we have? I want this man reduce the opacity and the flow a little bit. Can you see? So I want it to look as if this man is standing on a stone. Yes. And these guys are, which is this beautiful lady, she's sitting on the stone itself. So if you see the before, can you see the after? It looks more real like this. Okay, now this is what we have. And if you're done with this, you can boom, then come over to our text before you go. This is our hike. Control J on it, Control J on it. For this one, the one beneath it, Control T, take it down, then increase like this, increase. Okay, this is beautiful. So what you just need to do is add a layer marks, your brush tool, increase the flow, then you can take this part off, like this. I'm gonna take this part off like this. Can you see what we have? This is beautiful. So if we're done with this, click on your main hike, right click on it, come to your blend option, come to your drop shadow. So I'm going to leave all details like this in case you want to use yours. These are the details. I'll click on OK. Now for this, what we just need to do is close our background, add a new layer, come to your brush tool, make sure your foreground color is set to black, increase the flow, then down below like this, you just add a layer like this. Can you see? Take it above the image. Can you see what we have? Above the image. So this is beautiful. So for this one now, we don't need to write much. I'm just going to drag and drop the images. So we'll start. Okay, we'll start from this. This is the date. This is the date of the event, the social media handles, and the day it's happening. So we paste it. Ctrl V to paste. And this is happening not on Friday but Saturday. There's a mistake here. Okay, let's abbreviate it. Ctrl T, make sure it's centralized. Increase. Thank you. Okay, this is beautiful. Now if you're done with this one, what we just need to do, you copy this. If you're done copying this, you copy and you paste. You take this here. So we can see what we're doing. You do the same for the time. Do the same for the time. You paste. Okay, this is very easy to do. I'm not typing it because these are just your text and your shape. So the last thing we're going to do now is to copy our logo. Okay, this is our logo. Then you paste our logo like this. Make sure it's centralized. This is beautiful. Now come over to your resource file. These are resource file. Now there's a man over here. Drag and drop the man into Photoshop like this. So if you're done dragging the man into Photoshop, adjust the man like this. Reduce the man a little bit. Thank you. If you're done with that part, look, you can see this rope over here. Drag and drop it into Photoshop. Now you can adjust this a little bit. Curve it like this. Now take it, reduce. Zoom in. I want you to take it closer to the man. This is beautiful. I want it to look like the man himself is holding it. Then you can increase. Oh my god, sorry for that. Okay, now you can increase like this. Okay, okay, so for this, Ctrl T, hold shift on your keyboard, make it a bit longer. Thank you. Then hold the man, drag him down a little bit. Ctrl T, reduce a little bit, curve like this. Reduce a little bit, take it up. This is beautiful. So if you're done with this part, what we just need to do on this rope over here, Ctrl J on it, then take it down behind behind the hike. So for this one, the one at the top, click on it, add an adjustment layer to it, then zoom in. All the parts you don't want here, you just brush them out. Increase the flow and the opacity like this. Now this is what we have. Can you see? But we're not done. We're almost done. So what we just need to do lastly is come over to this bird part, drag and drop it into Photoshop. This is what we have. So I want these birds to be flying like this. Add a layer mask to it. Your brush tool, click on your brush tool, increase, take them out. We just want 3, or should I say 4, like this. This is beautiful. So guys, if you're done with this part, there's something I always like to do for my images. If you're done with this, you just save it. You're going to save this. Okay, where are we saving it to? Okay, let's save it If you're done saving it, then you still drag and drop it into Photoshop. Now this is it. We're going to drag and drop into Photoshop. Now if you're done with this part, come to your filter, come to your camera raw filter. Aha, this is what we have. Now if I right click on it, I can apply the precept. Tara, this is what we have. But I want to show you how to create the precept. Now what you just need to do for this, you come to your effects, come to your gain, increase your gain, your roughness, take your roughness down a little bit like this. Come over to your light, come over to your shadow, increase your shadow a little bit. This is more than little, but your exposure, increase a little bit. Now tada, this is what we have. Now if you click on OK, all right guys, that's all for today.